Under the glotters, hold your air.
Everything tight, big breath, get on it, you're going up. On top, breathe. 1, 2, 3. Think lower body, get the lower body nice and tight, breathe. 1, 2, stay tight, stay tight. Good job.
Is ready. Final ready. Okay, squeeze your handbrake. Handbrake is activated. Work hard. 3, 2, 1, engage. Legs tight, deep breath. You're on top, breathe. 1, 2, breathe. Drop the shoulders, breathe. 1, 2, breathe. Squeeze your legs, squeeze your butt. Hey, squeeze, keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Are you there? How you doing? How you doing?
No.
Alright, so you ready to do this? Alright, how this is going to work, you're just going to breathe normally, stay relaxed. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and pull back on that stick, okay?
Okay.
Alright, keep your head back. Stay at the light bar, breathe normally. You alright, sir? You okay, sir? You doing alright?
Whoa, yeah.
How you feeling?
I feel like I was in some sort of fist fight.
Yeah, it looked like that.
Under the glotters, hold your air. And we are decelerating. Continue the straining. Okay, relax your breathing. Keep your muscles tight. Okay, try to trap the air under the glotters by just using the word hook without a K. There you go. 1 second. And again. Hook. Out and in. Don't forget to exhale. Alright, doing fine. We are decelerating for the last time. Okay. Now
All right, we're gonna take it up to 12 G's now.
Sweet.
No.
No?
We could do 8.5. That's as high as Captain will let us go. So that's your last try. So we're gonna crank it up to 8.5.
8.5?
We're ready to go. Well, we're gonna get you up to idle speed first. We're gonna get moving at 3, 2, 1, engage. All right. Go ahead and pull back on that stick. Let her go. Let it out. Let it go. Nap time. Relax those abs. Drop the shoulders. Relax your legs. Deep breath out. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Find that.
Whoa.
All right, sir. Are you with us?
Yeah.
Are you ready to pull back on that stick yet?
What just happened?
Ma cercherò di non rovesciare, dai. Devi fare con velocità. Questo non è un... Ah, ho fatto il...
Oh God. Oh God. Don't do that again.
That scare you?
Don't do that again. Don't do that again.